as you guys could tell, the Challenger is absolutely filthy. I actually wanted to film a video how I detail the Challenger, but for the past like 3 or 4 days, it's just been non-stop raining. Today, we have an 80% chance of rain, and then for the next like 6 or 7 days after this, we're scheduled for more rain and thunderstorms. So unfortunately, that video is gonna have to wait, but today we're gonna be installing something from Luxe Auto Concepts. In this package, I actually have the taillight tint kit for the 2015 Plus Dodge Challenger. Now, we are not gonna be tinting the full taillight because since the Challenger is all black, I really like the way that this red contrasts with the black paint. So we are gonna be blacking out this clear portion right here in the center of the taillights. Since the weather has prevented me from cleaning the Challenger, I'm using Adams Polish's detail spray to clean off any dirt, dust, or debris that has accumulated on the taillights. Alright, now looking here inside the box that we have from Luxe Auto Concepts, you will find that right here is a packing slip. And then right here, this is everything that we are going to need to install the tints. You can see there's a squeegee, there's some of their pet spray, we have a microfiber towel, and then right here are the actual taillight tints. And then down here, I think this is just a brochure that just says thank you for your purchase, and just kind of shows off some of the other stuff that they have. So right here, everything that we need. Right here, the actual tints. Using the prep spray provided in the kit, spray a liberal amount on the areas you will be applying the tint. This will remove any grease, oils, or waxes that may still be left on the surface. Each piece of vinyl tint from Luxe Auto Concept is labeled, so finding the correct piece shouldn't be a problem. After you have removed the backing from the vinyl tint, carefully center it on the taillight. You don't have to be 100% perfect, as the materials that Luxe Auto Concept uses is easy to work with. Once you have your vinyl tint in the desired location, use the provided squeegee to apply the tint, paying special attention to any air bubbles or creases. There will be a couple extra centimeters of material at the end of the tint strip. Don't freak out, this is to ensure complete coverage. Carefully crease it over the side so it does not peel up. Repeat this same process to the other 3 remaining sections of your taillights. There you have it, guys. That was the taillight tint from Luxe Auto Concepts. If you guys want to do this modification to your own Challenger, they also make the same thing for Chargers and a few other brands of vehicles. The link for this product will be in the description down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know by giving it a big thumbs up, and also be sure to subscribe for new videos every single week. We are on the grind and we are not going to miss a beat, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, be sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The links for all those will be in the description down below. And until my next video, take care and be safe. Peace.